The question, it says, given that x is equal to w plus 3 over 2 minus w, make w the subject of the formula. How many marks? 3 marks. So this question is telling us to make w the subject of the formula. So what you do, you copy the question the way it is. This is what I've done here. Then first thing you do, here, you put what? You put 1. The first thing you do, you cross multiply. This will go with this will go with that. So you say x times 2, it's 2x minus x times w, it's wx equals. The next thing you say 1 times w. What is 1 times w? It's w plus 1 times 3. It's 3. Now, what is the question telling you to do? To make w the subject. So what you do here, you do what we call factorize. But before you factorize, you group the like terms. Since they said make w to be the subject, so this is 2x you have seen here. So it will be 2x. This one, it was a positive 3. If it crosses the equal sign, becomes what? A negative. Equals to what? W. W didn't cross anything, so it's just here. But this one, it was negative wx. If it crosses the equal sign, becomes what? A positive. W what? X. After you have reached here at this step, this is where I said you factorize. But first you copy the way this question is, which is 2x minus 3 equals. What is common here? It's w. You open. How many times can w go into w? It's 1 plus. What has remained this side? It's x. Like that. The next thing, what did they say? Make what the subject? W. So you divide both sides by 1 plus x. Also there, 1 plus x. You eliminate this. What have you remained with? W. Equals this one now. 2x minus 3 over 1 plus x. You have made the subject of the formula. Now we are on question 3. Question 3 says, simplify 2x plus 3, open brackets, x minus 4, close, minus 4x. So you copy the question the way it is, which is what I've done here. So you bring this one the way it is, which is 2x plus 3 times x, it's 3x. Positive times negative, what do you get? You get a negative. 3 times 4, what do you get? You get a 12. Minus 4x. You group the like terms. So 2x plus 3x, you get what? 5x. This one, it will come the way it is with the sign. Minus 4x. This one, minus what? 12. 5x minus 4x, what do you remain with? You remain with x. Minus what? 12. These, they are unlike terms. You can't do anything to them. So you just end here. This is probability for grade 9s. So the question, it says, a bag contains 15 white and 9 green balls. If a ball is a bag contains 15 white and 9 green balls. If a ball is picked from the bag, find the probability that it is green. So what is the main thing here? It's color what? Green. So the way you do, you write the data. What is the number for white is what? 15. The number for green is what? 9. So what is the question says? To find what? Color what? Green. So you say P, which is probability, you open. What is the color? Green. So you just write like this, equals. What is 15 plus 9? 15 plus 9 is what? 15 plus 9. So you add it somewhere. You say 15 plus 9. What do you get? You get 24. So what is the color for green? 9. So you say 9 over the total after adding 15 and 9, it's 24. So probability color green is equal to, you look for a number which can go in both 9 and 24. So you find out that number is what? 3. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 24, it goes there 8 times. The question, it says, the arrow diagram below represents a relation from set A to set B. And you have been given this question 2, 3, 4, B, 0, 1, 2. And the question, it says, first question says, if X is a member of A and Y is a member of B, write the formula for the relation, which is how many marks? 2. So they are trying to ask you which formula were they using for them to find the values which are this side. So how do you come up with the formula when you have been given a question like this? The first thing you do is to plug in the formula which we call, you say y is equal to, you check. Let's try to test this one. X minus 2. X minus 2. So why did I say x minus 2? I want to try to get the values for which are in A to put here if it will give me this. So let's try to plug in. So I'll say y is equal to, here x is what? 2 minus 2. What do I get? I get a 0, which is this one. Next, I will get what? 3 minus what? 2. What do I get? 1, which is this one. The last part, where there's x, I'll put 4 minus 2. What do I get? I get 2, which is this one. So the formula which they wanted, it is this one. So this is how you do. You plug in to see if it will give you these answers. Then it means it's the answer.